everyone. Today for our mobility video, I'm going to talk a little bit about low back pain after pregnancy. So a lot of our members come back after having babies and they complain about low back pain. When you're in your pregnancy, there's a hormone that gets released called relaxin, and what that does is it causes the ligaments to have a little bit more stretch, and so your stability goes down. Another thing that happens is because you have the weight of the baby, you tend to get into this hyperextension. And if we learn this pattern, even after this weight has gone away, this hyperextension piece stays away or stays there. So what I see is this pressing overhead, you're keeping this extension. So one way that we can fix it is obviously with cueing for keeping that rib cage down, with overhead movements and with lifts from the ground like a clean or a deadlift, keeping that rib cage down to keep good alignment. And then the other thing is to start working on the stability of the core. So an exercise that I'm going to show today is called the bird dog. You're going to come down on hands and knees, making a tabletop. So no extending through the back. You want to be flat like a table. And you're going to bring your opposite arm and opposite leg up. So what you don't want to let happen is this hip to drop in any way, and you don't want to be leaning into your opposite hip. So I'll come over this way. You don't want to let this happen either. Okay, so you're keeping your core nice and tight, opposite arm and leg, keeping this up. You're going to feel your abs come on, your low back come on, and it's good for stability. So introducing this into your warm-up if you have back pain or you feel like you're kind of in this extension is going to be really important. So just doing 2 sets of 10 alternating just to get your core working before you start working out. That's the mobility video for this week. Go to the blog www.elementcrossfit.com/blog and we'll see you next week.